Welcome to all. This is Surya. I am working as assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Applications. So in this video, we are going to see about testing. So in this block box testing and then white box testing, we are going to see. So first, block box testing is a software testing method in which the functionalities of software applications are tested without having knowledge of internal code, structure, implementation details, and internal path. So this is the block diagram of block box testing. So first we are giving the input. Based on the input, the process will be going on and then output will be getting. So in this method, tester selects a function and gives input value to examine its functionality and checks whether the function is giving expected output or not. If the function produces correct output, then it passed in testing, otherwise failed. The test team reports the result to the development team and then tests the next function. After completing testing of all functions, if there are severe problems, then it is given back to the development team for corrections. So usually if we are having any problems, so we'll be giving the corrections to the particular team to correct the errors, and after rectifying the errors, we'll be again testing the process we'll be doing. So what is the step for block box testing? So it is based on the specification of requirements. So it is examined in the beginning. So in the second step, the tester creates a positive test scenario and an adverse test scenario by selecting valid and invalid input values to check that the software is processing them correctly or incorrectly. So in the third step, the tester develops various test cases such as decision table, all pair test, equivalent divisions, error estimation, cause effect graph, etc. So the fourth phase includes the execution of all test cases. So in the fifth step, the tester compares the expected output against the actual output. So in the sixth and the final step, if there is any flaw in the software, then it is cured and tested. So what is the difference or the comparison between the block box testing and then white box testing? So first, in the block box testing, it is a software testing technique that examines the functionality of software without knowing its internal structure or coding. So in the block box testing, we are not concentrate on the internal structure or coding. So just we are checking the functionality. But in white box testing, we'll be checking the internal structure of the software is known to the tester. So when it comes to black box testing, it is also known as functional testing, data-driven testing, and closed box testing. So when it comes to white box testing, it is also known as structural testing, clear box testing, and then code-based testing and transparent testing. Okay, so next we are going to see the block box testing. There is less programming knowledge is required. Here in white box testing, there is a requirement of programming knowledge. So we need to know the programming language. So here it is not well suitable for algorithm testing, and then it is well suitable and recommended for the algorithm testing. So here it is mainly performed by the software tester. Here it is mainly performed by the developers. So in the block box testing and then white box testing, consolidating all the points means first internal structure we need, and then data driven testing, and then functional testing, and then closed box testing we need, and then less programming knowledge is required, and then it is suitable for algorithm testing, and then it is tested by the software testers. Here white box testing, so we should know the internal structure of the software, and then also known as it is called as clear box testing, and then code based testing, and then transparent testing. So in we have to know the programming knowledge before the testing, before going to white box testing, and then it is suitable for algorithm testing, and it is mainly developed by the software testers. So in this video, we have seen about the importance of block box testing and then white box testing. So whatever test we are doing, but first we have to do all the modules, whether it is corrected or not, all the modules is finished or not properly. First we have to check it, and then according to the user we have to go for the testing option. Then it is comes to the final option. It will be very useful. So in this video we have seen about importance of black box testing and then white box testing. So in the next video we'll see the next topic. Thank you.